What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gala is showing some strength. We're up 8% in the last 24 hours. We're going to get into the analysis. The Discord is free today for the next 24 hours, completely free for basic access to the chat rooms. The link is at the top of the comments. All right, gang, we're sitting at 0.025. We're up 8%. We're currently in a Gala long trade, which is in profits. And we're seeing a market cap of 538 million, 24-hour volume, a little bit of increase to 61 million. Let's hop into the chart. So it looks like we could potentially get an impulsive breakout. So what we're looking at is potentially from this low, a wave one up, wave two pullback, looking to push up in the wave three. Within that wave is 5 waves. So you have a wave one right here, pull back in a wave two, and now potentially pushing up in a wave three. The 1.618 target is 0.028, but the minimum target is the one extension that can complete a wave three, which is at 0.026. So do watch that level for Gala Games and watch this channel as well to see if we hit the upsloping resistance or if we can just break right through it for our friend Gala. We complete the wave three, we pull back in a four, we push up in a wave five. Starting to look decent on the daily, starting to push above the 20 EMA. Crucial we can get back above those daily EMAs. And that will be a sign of strength for Gala, but obviously we love to see a little bit of breakout right now. And just focus on the channel, focus on the resistance of the channel. It comes in at the one extension at 0.0261. That's all we have to do to complete the wave three. I thought maybe leading diagonal, but it looks like we might get a little bit of an impulsive break. If it ends up looking like a leading diagonal to me, then I'm always updating in the Discord, and I'll update in the next Gala Games video. All right, gang, as I mentioned, we are in a Gala trade, which is in profits. My signals and analysis are still $10 a month, but you can have completely free access for the next 24 hours to all chat rooms. If you want a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis, sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Let me quickly open up Bitkit because this is the exchange that I use more often. Hopefully I'm not already logged in. All right, so you can sign up to Bitkit or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit, update and bonuses. Make your first deposit, takes 2 minutes, and then email me your sign-up email. And I'll give you a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays Forex signals analysis. Otherwise, if you want direct access, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. All chat rooms are free for the next 24 hours. Basic Discord access. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, completely for free for the next 24 hours. The link is the top of the comments and in the bio in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.